Hydrangeas are a very cool flower that happen between early spring and early fall. Really sort of all over the world, but they started in Asia. But one of the things that always happens to hydrangeas, in a day, sometimes they get looking just like this, and I'm going to show you how to bring that flower back to life. Hydrangeas are unusual. They drink not only out of the stem, but they also drink out of the blooms. You're going to take this sad flower, you're going to recut that stem, put it into a bucket of water, and in 24 hours, it comes up just like that. And then you can add that right back into the ones that have behaved themselves, and you've got a whole new vase of flowers for another week.